A woman recently described it perfectly. She said, "I don't even know what I'm trying to say anymore. I just know he's not getting it." And I asked her one question that changed the whole conversation. Have you said it to yourself yet? Here's the truth. Most of us go into a hard conversation with our partner before we've had that same conversation with ourselves. We know we're frustrated. We know something's off. But we haven't actually named clearly, honestly, what we need. So we walk in with a feeling instead of a request. And feelings without a request attached sound like blame. So why does this matter for you individually this week? Because being heard by someone else starts with being heard by yourself first. If you can't say clearly in one sentence what you need, your partner can't either. Not because they don't care, because you haven't handed them anything to hold on to yet. Now, I want to be honest about something. A lot of us avoid this step because it requires slowing down. It's easier to react than to reflect. Unhealed pain leaks forward. If you don't process what you're actually feeling before you speak, you'll project it instead of express it. That's not a character flaw. That's just what happens when we skip the step. This week, before your next hard conversation, try this. Ask yourself 3 questions. What am I actually feeling right now? Not the story, the feeling itself. What do I need in one sentence? Is what I'm about to say a request or a complaint wearing a request's clothes? That 3rd question alone will change how you speak to the person you love. This Sunday, we're going to take this same topic and turn it toward the 2 of you together, how to actually be heard as a couple in real time, in the middle of a real conversation, but it starts here, individually, this week. You can't hand someone clarity you don't have yourself. If you want a structured way to work through this, not just this week, but every week, the Conversation Reset Toolkit walks you through exactly this kind of self-clarity before you ever open your mouth to your partner. Links in the show notes. And most important, remember, you are extraordinary.
Most of us are one good deal away from finally replacing that worn-out rug, fixing up the backyard, or getting the bedroom we actually want. Good news, that deal's almost here. Wayfair's Black Friday and July sale. Get up to 80% off area rugs and up to 60% off outdoor and bedroom furniture. Shop Wayfair's huge selection of styles and find the piece to fit your style, budget, and space. Plus, free shipping. Black Friday in July ends July 27th. Shop today at wayfair.com.
Wayfair, every style, every home.